Not Millie, I'm back with another vlog, man. Another day getting to another dollar. I'm just not getting out the house. It's like going on 1 o'clock. And on my way to pick up this mattress for a junk removal. And as I'm walking out, I'm seeing this bad boy. I forgot all about me picking up the refrigerator last night. Hopefully he didn't add nothing extra to this load, because what he did show me the pictures of was like a mattress and a couple bins, or plastic bins. Hopefully he didn't add nothing extra and we can still be copacetic. Meantime, between time, I need to go to Harbor Freight. Time to go get some zip ties so I can do a little mattress trick, and then from there I need to, I can't even think right now, just follow me. I got a move. This is about 35 miles away. I gave her a price, she said okay. So get the mattress, go to the recycler, see if I can get rid of this bad boy. Take the mattress to the trailer and either go dump the trailer or leave the trailer and just go do that move. I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna do. Either way, stay tuned, we'll see. I don't even know how I'm gonna finagle this just yet. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Hit that like button, subscribe button for me. In a minute. Not quite here yet, but finna be. I'm hoping buddy got this shit outside. I'm hoping. Let's see. 30, bam. Bam, let's see it. I'm here for your mattress room?
Yeah.
Is it right here?
Yeah, I set it right on the side just a few minutes ago.
Okay.
There's like a couple bins with it. I just left one of the bins in the garage, so it's like, it's really just this mattress, like this one cooler.
Okay.
Yeah. Appreciate it. Have a good one.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why I'm jumping over this shit quick. See, I got the mattress on here. Cooler right there. This mattress. And some other little light fixture or whatever. So. No. Had to go put a couple door hangers out there real quick. All right, now off to go dump this load so I can make space for this move I got coming up. Every day I'm hustling. How's it going? Not the mattress, the refrigerator.
Oh,
yeah, the refrigerator. You interested in it?
Yeah.
How much you want to give me for it? off that, made a little few extra dollars. Not much. Muchacho up, he be out there hustling, man. Be getting refrigerators and stoves and stuff, and going to the fixes them up, and then goes to the swap meet and get rid of them. I pulled up. I was like, man, I'll give you first chance. He's like, no, my place is too small. I was like, man, no, not the mattress. Not the mattress, the refrigerator. He's like, oh, well, yeah, okay. He's a cool dude, man. I can't say he's down and out, but he definitely ain't up and out shit. He could be doing better. I guess we all can though, huh? Shit, I know I could be. Working every day to make it better though. That's a damn sure. That's the difference between me and a lot of people, man. I don't mind getting up, getting out there and getting it. Like Goody Mob say. You need to get up, get out, get something. Alright, y'all, get ready to go to the trailer, drop this mattress off, and then head on up to that move. It's like 35 miles away. A nice little journey. Need to stop at the gas station real quick, you feel me? Put some gas in, and hit this road. I'll holler back in a little bit, y'all. Peace. Strap that down better when I'm actually taking it somewhere. I'm not going to the dump just yet. First things first. Gonna make some more money before I go spend some money. You feel me?
And how to use a camera. Everybody knows how to
All
use
right,
a camera.
fam.
But that's a
This ain't gonna be fun. I just got the contact with the customer that's buying the table, and she just got informed that it's on the 3rd floor, not the 1st floor like we thought. Hopefully he can help me with this, because 3rd floor and it's a table and chairs, you feel me? Like, hold on. Yes, sir. I can pull over there? Okay. Is this good or more?
What's that?
Is this good or more?
Yeah, I'm on that end, so I mean, or you can go up and park in front of the fire hydrant there, because it shouldn't take that long. I can help you bring the stuff down. So back just a hair, there's a red spot for a fire hydrant. I'll stand there. Okay. Because I'm on that end, and there's an elevator right there as well.
Okay.
It saves us from going all the way.
Okay. So it is an elevator. I guess down the hall it ain't no elevator. Nice and strapped up, shouting. Strapped it up, put blankets on, rubbing areas, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and Mr. Lefty on the beat, Las Vegas Boulevard, beat my street. Let's get it. I live and hustle on the city I'm in, I'm hollering. Yeah, you hear me? At pool party screaming. We at my shows like